Hey, what's going on, guys? Opening up another Amazon mystery box, which has all kinds of stuff in it, from Xboxes to dog treats, food, which most of it's expired. You name it, it's probably in the box. Well, I'm gonna open up a new box and see what we have. I can't find my knife, so I'll have to use the scissors. First thing we have is Hello My Darling. I guess it's battery operated. I don't know. Brand new. So maybe $5–10. Electrical wire. This could be worth something, I don't know. Could be. I don't know, Mr. T starter set. Let's see what that's worth. Like this video, share it. And if you want to buy anything off me, look at my eBay store. It's going to be on the bottom of the video. I have at least 600 items right now in my store. Let's see. So this is a moon phrase wall hanging, garland ornaments, hang art, deco room for living room, bedroom, writing home, office. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I forgot to see how much it was worth. Can't be worth much. Maybe $5. $13. I only paid $37.50 a box, so probably already paid for itself. The items I already took out. Next item. 2-piece dough whisk, dough and more. Factory sale, but I'll open it to see what it is. There's 2 of them in there like that. I have no idea. Next item. Cocoa Bunnies. But they're expired in April of 2022. So that's garbage. Next item. Halloween classroom rewards. Oh. There's a whole bunch of little Halloween stuff. Stickers, mustaches, toys. It's not bad. Maybe $10. Next item. Nail Nina. Fake nails. Alka Seltzer. Whatever this is fragile, so. Wish I knew where my knife was. See what this is. Oh. Maybe a pot, not a pot plant, a pot plant holder or something. I have 2 of those. There's another one in the box. Let me see how much that's worth. Get a price on it. $30 it's saying. Never mind, I only have one. I have curry sauce. It's hot with vegetables. It expires 2/16/2023. Next item. Magnetic eyelashes, eyeliner, and magnetic eyelash kit. $10. We got Slim Fast. It expired in February 12th, 2022. So, no good. A nose shaper. Made out of silicone. Ridiculous. I don't know. $5. Morocco salsa. Nescafé. I have no idea. Decaf, 16 caps. I'm gonna have to open it up to see what it is. Oh, Lungo, decaffeinated. No expiration date on that one. Last but not least is the last item in the box. Let me check it out. This is a camping chairs, compact outdoor chairs, leisure chair, lightweight, easy, and fast. Holds up to 198 pounds, and it goes for $20. That's what it looks like. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Like, share, and check out my eBay store. Take it easy.